sensory over-responsivity is basically highly sensitive to input and has extreme reactions. All right. I've worked with kids who they just can't brush their teeth. It's so over-responsive for them. They just can't handle it. If you kind of touch them or they can't put a hat on, they're over-responsive. Then you've got your under-responsive kids, and they don't notice changes. Like things just happen around them and they just don't notice it. So they often really appear distracted. So if you're going to say in the cognitive domain, the child is distracted, you always want to ask the question in the physical domain, is there anything going on with under-responsivity? So I like to kind of tease out, what is it? Is it the fact that they're just under-responsive to stimuli? And then you have, of course, sensory cravers, which we seem to have more of those. And they tend to be really keyed up and dysregulated. And they have a low impulse control. They're constantly moving, fidgeting, bumping into things, fiddling with objects. They're just craving it. All right. These are our kids when we do Go Noodle breakout sessions, or body movement sessions. We have a hard time bringing them back. And so it's like, but I can't bring them back. Yep, those are my sensory cravers. They just never get enough. And so if I know that the intervention is I've got to kind of meet them in the middle. I've got to figure out how I can get them to come back down again.